So mga ka-beauty, dito ako nakatira ngayon and I really love this place kasi I'm waiting for my son. AJ, welcome. I'm gonna wait you here. Hindi ko pa naikakabit yung mga curtain rod. And ito tayo. Okay. Diyan ko na lang muna linagay yung maliit na table, and then my shoe rack, and then there are more shoes here that I did not able to to place in here because wala nang na rin akong place, wala nang space, and magulo pa yung aking kwarto. Oh my god, look at this. Ang laki ng aking window which I wanted to cover it up. Okay, para hindi ganun nakakasilaw. And this is my kitchen where, I can cook. I did not buy this. I did not buy the electric stove kasi yung hindi naman ako ganun ka, nagluluto lagi. Anyway, I already have this a small electric stove and microwave, and then I have the rice cooker and anything that I want, especially my Levelock Junior 2. I used to drink this Kangen water. It really boosts, it detoxifies your inner system. Inner system daw. And that's it. I really like this. And of course, meron akong, this is the washroom. Shall I show you my washroom? Okay. There you go. My washroom. Hey. And then, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below for more updated videos. See ya!